Hello and welcome. Thanks for joining me for another unboxing of what do we got here? It looks like a box of shoes. And the brand looks like Under Armour. I am familiar with this brand. This is not my first pair of shoes from Under Armour. And I'm going to tell you, for any of you out there that are first responders, or at least military veterans on the at least United States side, there is a great discount that they have on their website for purchasing these shoes. One of the big reasons I give them my business, but also the shoes are really cool, so that helps. And you know, they have a cool insignia. Look at this box right here, red, black, you know, standing out. The advantage is undeniable. That's probably true. I can probably run faster. So we have www.underarmour.com. Check them out, especially, you know, for any reason, but first responder or military. So I'm looking here, I got a set of, it's a 12 for at least the North American continent. And these are, they got an MSRP on here, which may or may not be true. Who knows where you're going to get these. But these are, let's see, UA jogger shoes. And this is color black. Let's see what else they got. Anything on here? Black, white, Under Armour shoes. Nothing tells you what they look like an actual unboxing. So this comes with a cardboard hinge. You can see it here in the back. And this is totally reusable. You can use this box again for many knickknacks and trinkets, except for any type of wet item. I probably wouldn't put a wet item back in this box. I wouldn't use it for that reason. I'm not going to tell you what to use this tissue for, but again, this is totally reusable. And there's many different things you can use tissue paper for, if you know what I'm talking about. So let's open that up, because that's probably really loud on the microphone. And we can already see that the first shoe coming out happens to be the left one. That was totally 50-50. I didn't mean to do that. No preference on that. And we can see the shoe is light enough for running. I mean, it does feel light, not like, you know, super light, exceptional running shoes, but just a jogger, you bet. This is, it looks like it's a huge heavy shoe at the bottom, but it's not. It feels really light. The tread looks super sick. There's like different cuts going on here. Who knows if that makes you faster, but it looks cool. So as you're running, you know, that's going to show off. Here I can see there's different patterns along the base, you know, giving it some texture. You know, normal type of front here with netting to cool your feet down. And the brand Under Armour on the tongue. Hopefully you can all see this fine. And we got the Under Armour logos here and here on the back. And once again, just in case someone forgot or missed it, it's on the back and on the tread. So we got it there. It's a really good feeling rubber, not too hard, not too soft, and good traditional padding down here. This is going to be a good shoe. I can already see the stitching. You know, this looks a little bit lighter, almost gives it a little bit of different color on there. But I wanted, you know, just a shoe to go. Everyday shoe, really, and this looks fantastic. Even comes with more free tissue paper, which you can figure out what to do with that one. So what do we got here? We have the two shoes, free tissue paper, and a free box. And when they're looking, I don't know if you can see that from above, but we got the logo on the front as well. I don't think these are wide. These aren't extra wide or anything like that, but gonna fit my foot just fine. Fantastic to get them. Super happy. Under Armour, if you see them out there, give them your business. I'll see you in the next video.